Hey guys, welcome back to Spice Fry. Now in our previous video we promised you that we'll soon be sharing our chicken honey chili lollipops recipe with you. And so today we're here to do just that. So let's see how Spice Fry's famous chicken honey chili lollipops are made. Now for those of you who watched our previous chicken lollipop recipe, you now know how to make your very own chicken lollipops out of chicken wings, the marination that it needs, and the ingredients that you have to add to the batter to make your lollipops super yummy and crispy. And for those of you who missed out on watching our previous chicken lollipop recipe, watch it now with the link in our bio to know how to prepare your chicken lollipops and then proceed to follow the steps that we are about to show you to make a yummy honey chili sauce. Let's begin preparing the sauce needed for our chicken honey chili lollipops. Add some oil to a non-stick pan and fry 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic and 2 chopped green chilies. Fry it till the garlic turns slightly golden brown in color. Now add 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney and half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and give it all a good mix. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of honey and stir it well once again. While the sauce cooks on slow flame, mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 4 teaspoons of water and then add this slurry into the sauce to give it volume and thickness. Stir continuously till the sauce begins to turn translucent. Drop in the fried chicken lollipops and then stir well so as to cover each piece in the yummy honey chili sauce. Once all the chicken lollipops are coated in the honey chili sauce, sprinkle over some toasted sesame seeds for an added burst of flavor. Your chicken honey chili lollipops are now ready to be served. Do try making these chicken honey chili lollipops at home and let us know how they turned out in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more simple yet delicious recipes from Spice Fry.